If you want to. Hello, everyone.
But can I record?
Yeah, let me just say hi first. Happy, I don't know what day it is. It's Tuesday. It's been quite a while since we've recorded and chatted with you guys in the car. It's been quite a while. But we're getting back to our normal routine now. When we had started our homeschool, I was extremely busy, so vlogging was just not on my radar. But we're back to it.
Can I record? Can I record?
Alayo's got something to say. Go ahead. Anyways, he's not talking very loud, so I'm just gonna talk. We are headed home. We just ran some errands. We dropped off my orders for my customers. We did a few returns, grabbed a few things. Heading home. Alayo's gonna have his lunch, and then he's gonna have a nap. And in that time,
we have to go pee.
We have to go pee and do the whole routine. And in that time, while he's sleeping, I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna try to clean up my office because my office is quite a mess. And I want to sort through some things that I need to donate and get rid of. I decluttered my shoe collection because I have a lot of shoes that I do not wear anymore, that have just been sitting there collecting dust for over 5 years. So I finally accepted that I'm not gonna wear them. Mainly my 10-inch heels and platform heels. I'm not gonna wear them anymore. I've come to accept that. My style has changed. I'm not going clubbing anymore. Trends have changed. So between those 3 changes, it was time to let a lot of shoes go. I probably got rid of like 15 to 20 pairs of shoes. I got rid of about 5 coats that I've, again, not worn because my style has either changed or trends have changed. And I'm proud of myself to be finally coming to the place where I can just let things go that I don't wear anymore without feeling like I need to hold on to them for some unforeseen event that will never happen. Like all my clubbing shoes that I kept for, I haven't gotten clubbing since I met Dave, so 7 years. That's how long I've kept my clubbing shoes, never worn them. So it was just like, and I kept saying, maybe we'll go clubbing one day. Maybe when we go on a cruise and we want to go clubbing, I'll wear these shoes. The reality of the matter is, even if I do go clubbing, I'm not going to wear those shoes anymore because that's not my style anymore. They're not comfortable. I am so much into comfort right now. But even if I do wear heels, they've got to be comfortable heels. I can't do the heels that hurt, the like poorly made heels that just hurt your toes and you going through it. Can't do it. It's not just worth it. It's not worth it to me. I'd rather wear flats at that point. Like, so anyways, getting rid of all those. And new me. I am loving my style this fall. Right now my sweatshirt does not reflect my style, but here's an example of my style. I had this on all morning over my sweater, and then the weather changed, so I took it off. And right now I'm wearing like fall boots. I'm just loving it. I'm embracing fall in its entirety, and I'm very happy about that change in myself. It's funny because with fall, it's like you always start out the day with layers, and halfway through the day you're just like, why am I wearing so many clothes? And then by the end of the day you're like, I need my layers back. So it's always just funny that all of your layers have to look appropriate because they will be coming off and getting added back on at some point. So you have to make sure each layer is cute. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna head home. I have a ton of returns. So I've been shopping for our homeschool books, and I probably bought about $400 worth of books on Amazon for Alayo. And a lot of them have delivered. There's only, I think, one book that hasn't been delivered yet. They've all been delivered, so I've been spending some time going through each one of them, trying to eliminate duplicates and trying to just get what I think we actually need, because I don't need to keep that many books. It's just ridiculous.
Mom.
Yeah?
Look, there's one more right there.
Yes, sir.
I saw it.
Yep. The only place I'm struggling on is I bought a bunch of grade 1 books, and a part of me just wants to keep them because I'm like, we'll just use them when the time comes. Another part of me says return them because you're just sitting on money that you won't need for a year and a half. So return it, and when the time comes, buy it then. So I don't know what the logical thing to do is. I might ask Dave what his opinion is on that. Yeah.
Can
because with books, just a second, books don't change that much. I'm not like, the lessons aren't gonna change. I doubt I'm gonna change my curriculum that much, but a part of me is like, what if after our first year or two of homeschooling, I come upon a different style of homeschooling that I prefer, or different curriculum that I prefer, and then I have these books that I can't return anymore. So based on that, a part of me says return them and buy them when it's time to use them, and then just buy what you need at that time, right? So as I'm talking it out with you guys, I think I am gonna return them because I just don't need them right now. Let me check my mail. You can talk while I check the mail.
Okay.
Talk loud so they can hear you.
So every time when it's more, so today is, I don't even know what it is today. It must be Tuesday, so we just had to drop off orders, and we had to go to Tim Marshall's, and I think we just went to Winners to look at something, and we went to and we are going to our house.
Cool. What did you tell them about? Told them what we did today?
Yeah.
Cool.
And we tell them what else we're going to do today.
You told them we're going to our house, which is exactly what we're going to do.
And what else we're going to do after we're gonna do say our morning prayers. Did we already say our morning prayers?
We did not say our morning prayers yet.
Are we gonna say them right now?
We'll say them when we're starting homeschool. We're trying something a little different today. We are out on a hike. Y'all know we don't do hikes, but we said, you know what, let's do something a little different today. So we're out for a hike. We just got here, we just parked, and now we're just making our way to the trail. There's Alayo in his hiking gear, ready to go. Isn't he cute with his little, like, brown boots? I love those boots. I don't remember where I got them, but I love them. He's got his hoodie on, he's got his hands in his pockets. I mean, come on. Have you guys ever seen someone more hike ready? Oh, okay. Are you okay, love?
Yeah.
Good.
Fine.
Good.
Fine. You're probably going to want to go here.
There we go. There's Dave with it. You guys haven't really seen Dave's new beard, have you? I don't think so. Dave's growing a beard, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
Told him to try something different for me, so we're trying out the beard thing.
And you can step on one. And it goes crunch sometimes. Oh, these aren't very crunchy, are they?
Because they're what? Yeah.
Only that one's flawed.
Is it?
Yeah.
Try and crunch it.
No.
I think that one.
My hands are cold, guys. I gotta put it in my pockets, so
Yeah.
probably gonna stop filming.
I'm gonna go around.
I don't know, we'll just go for a walk. Sound good?
Walk?
It's so big.
So big.
It looks like an
Those
elephant.
leaves.
It's a very big tree.
Why are they big?
It's not like fully.
Yeah, fall just started.
So that's why some of them are green, some are yellow, some are orange, some are red, some are brown.
They'll eventually turn.
Yeah. I don't see the dolphin.
No.
Well, there's definitely little dolphins here. It's a lake.
Okay. Left or right?
I'm gonna go left.
Left? Okay. Left it is.
We're gonna go left to see the lake. Go left.
Oh, with the barometric yeah, it's okay.
It's a long bridge.
Who?
Me, because I'm recording.
Can you say something when you're recording?
Sure, I was trying to give them a scenic view without talking and ruining the moment, but if Alayo insists.
Scenic view is our sign. Show the forest if you want to do scenic.
No, but like just it's him in the shot.
Do you see the blue, Alayo?
Huh?
Do you see the blue?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're still on the right path.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a 1 kilometer hike that we were doing, so it's not too bad.
It's not really a hike.
Yeah, no, it's not a hike. We're on a path. Yep. But it's the level 1. We're beginners. Pardon?
Talk on your camera.
I am talking on the camera. We're beginners, so this is the very, very first of their. We have like 5 or 6 trails. This is a beginner trail. They make it nice and easy for you. Oh. He looks like such a little man. He's so cute. Should get a family picture at some point.
We're in nature.
Lyle found himself a walking stick. He's really enjoying this nature walk we're doing here. But it is beautiful. That's super weird. We're being followed, but I don't see the person. That's odd. Dad! Dad, I thought we were being followed. Oh, she sat down, okay. I was like, that's weird. Where did she disappear to? There you go, you can stretch there. There, good stretching. One more stretch.
There we go.
Perfect.
No, not that.
You said one more?
But can we do another walk?
Not that one. That one's too deep. I think that was it.
We're wrapping up our trail. We did about 3 kilometers or 2 kilometers? 2 kilometers total, I think. Yeah?
How many stretches did I do?
You did at least 20.
Maybe 100.
Maybe 100 stretches.
I didn't do 100.
I think you did.
Definitely did more than 20.
Mom,
Yeah.
well, look at me. I listened.
Very good job. I am very proud of you. Thank you for listening.
Can I record?
Sure.
So, I went to church because I was gonna go to church so that I can be better at listening. I just recorded one.
Good job.
So now, do you want to record it, Mom?
Sure. Yeah.
There you go.
Good morning. Well, yeah, it's still morning. Just wrapped up at church. We're heading home. It's Thanksgiving weekend here for us. We're gonna have our Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow, though. Today we're gonna head out to see some friends later. To help them
Move big stuff.
some big things. They're getting their floors redone, so they just need some help lifting furniture and stuff. So we're gonna head over and help with that tonight. So because of that, we're gonna have our dinner tomorrow with my mom and baby. I gotta do my nails. I haven't done them in like a week or 2 now. But yeah, so that's our plan. I feel like I look very pale. Do I look very pale with my sunglasses?
New song was, I think it was.
I was trying to remember what.
There was air balloons, I think.
Hot air balloons?
Yeah,
What was that, unfortunately?
Yeah,
He said,
that
unfortunately.
was.
He's trying to remember what song he learned in class today, but he can't seem to remember the song.
What was that song? Maybe it was... I don't even know the song.
That's okay.
I don't know the song.
That's okay. As long as you had fun and learned something.
I know. I think it was. God loves us. I think it was that song.
Oh, God loves us. Cool song.
Because there was hot air balloons in that song.
Oh, there's hot air balloons in the song.
Yeah. That's what
Okay.
he said, yeah.
Cool.
And other songs about hot air balloons. Pretty cool.
Did you guys watch it on video?
I think that was just regular pianos.
Oh, it was a regular piano song. Now I'm super confused.
But there was a treble clef from the pianos.
There was a treble clef. Okay. Cool story.
Mom,
Yeah?
can I have my phone?
Where is it?
It's in my backpack.
Oh, okay. It's in your backpack. Sorry. Got some calls to make?
We put it here so we wouldn't forget it at church.
Yep. Do you have some people to call?
No, I already called somebody.
Oh, okay.
But I just need it for me.
Oh, just for you. Okay.